you when you can see that you're lacking leads and you already got a lead magnet, but it's kind of dead. It's not giving you any new leads anymore, and it's just way too far between people who actually want to get your lead magnet. There are three kinds of lead magnets that rule right now at this time in 2026. The first one is being quizzes. This is not a new thing, but people have always had this thing. You probably see from the women's magazines, like test if this partner is the best partner for you, or test your horoscope to see if you become rich. All of these where we can test ourselves and get insights to ourselves. They've always been working because it brings a lot of curiosity. They uses a curiosity hook trigger. However, there's some new ones that is working really well right now, and that is either AI prompts or custom GPTs. Both of them works really well because we all understand AI is something that we need to apply into our life, into our business, whatever we're focusing on in our niche. But it's also something that makes people curious, and it's also about like trying to get an advantage, getting something instead of doing the work. So what people are looking for is that, can I get the result quickly without putting in the work myself? So what we're going to do right now is I'm going to take you through how to make custom GPTs the lazy way. I'm going to do it as a tutorial, so I'm literally going to walk you through how you do this. Because I believe you already use either GPT or you use Claude. If you use GPT, you just do the same. I'll show it on ChatGPT. Just do the same. If you use Claude, you'll probably make it into a Claude prompt instead. Now, let me just show you how to do it if you're really lazy and you know that you need to bring out at least one new lead magnet every single month. So this is how you do it. What I'll do is I'll start by opening up my ChatGPT. And instead of me typing, which takes a long time, what I do is I use another AI tool, Whisperflow. Whisperflow is by far the AI tool I use the most. And I'll put in a link here so you can just go and grab it. Whisperflow will just make you be able to dictate what you want to say. And I just believe we all speak faster than we can type. At least that's how it is for me. So let me just do it this way. I want you to write down what are the things you usually do for me in my business. And since I'm a business coach, what are all the things you do for me that you believe would be valuable if we could do for an avatar that looks just like me? And we put that in and we make ChatGPT just tell us what is that it's doing. Oh, it's doing a lot of different things. And I'll go through these ones. There's a lot of great stuff here. And just by here, you see I get a lot of ideas. And you know what I'll do? I will go into offers. I believe offers would be good. So I'll work with that. Okay, I believe looking into offers would be a good idea. So if we could create a custom GPT that would help coaches just like me to audit their offers, whether they're good or not, following all the rules I have in my GPT and how I built my offers that I know works for me and that I know works for our 900 clients in 23 countries and in all niches. So can you give me a prompt if we are going to do an audit for other coaches to be able to do the same? And I want you to even give me some great names for this custom GPT. I put it in here. It will come up with a lot of things. Offer positioning, offer breakdown, AI, offer millionaire, offer audit, high ticket offer auditor, the offer doctor. Isn't that fun? We have here the pre-sold offer GPT, the signature offer audit, offer glow up, offer accelerator, signature offer audit. You know what? We'll do it like this. So I choose the name, the signature offer audit. Now please write a full prompt to create a custom GPT that will audit other coaches' offers based on how we train our clients and how we do ourselves. And now it's literally just writing out. So if I wanted to give this away as a lead magnet in itself, I could literally just copy paste this one and give it away just like this. But now what I wanted to do is I wanted to turn it into a custom GPT. So what I'll do here is I'll just make sure it's done with everything. It's done now. Thank you. So I just want to have you to confirm this prompt. Is that longer than 8,000 characters? Because 8,000 characters is the maximum to be able to create custom GPTs. So please make sure this one is below 8,000 characters so I can actually create it. So now it's going in and it is doing it again. Great. Now I go in, I just copy it here. And now it's time for us to actually create something now. I just want to make sure I copied it. I go in now under my GPTs and I just scroll down here, explore GPTs, create a new. And let me just make sure we get it in here, create new. So I go into the configure and I put in the prompt here, instructions. And I just want to make sure I have the name of the GPT. I'll take that. I'll put it up here. And then I'll add a custom GPT, a custom description. Audit your signature offer to see what works and what needs to be improved. And then we have conversation starters. I can put in audit my offer. There it is. And now since I have that in here, I can just put that away. And then I just have it now, it says create. So right now it's just loading and we'll create it here. I'm going to use this as a lead magnet. I need to put it into anyone with the link. So I will just save it like that. And it's just saving. Good. So it's saving here. And I can now even go in and see if it's working. Please update the picture for this custom GPT. It will generate a profile picture and I can just make sure I get it better if I don't like it. So I want you to change the icon so it becomes a simple icon and use my yellow color. So it updated the offer and let's say I'm just happy about this. So I just, once again, I'll just press update. And now I have the custom GPT. So now I have a lead magnet that is, anyone with a link will have it. I just have to copy the link, which means I can now just use this link as a lead magnet and you will have a custom GPT. Now this is how simple you can make custom GPTs in no time if you're really lazy, and you can create new ones and you can change the name and you can change the hook about them. Now, if you actually want our real offer, look down below. There's a link to our custom offer audit that I actually spent a little bit more time doing. Go in there and check it out. And if you want help to build your business using more AI, more systems, and get your lead gen to work, make sure that you schedule a call with us so we can have a chat about what you need right now to get your business to where you really want it. See you soon.